Hello, good morning to everyone. This is your chairman, the founder, and Happy New Year po sa lahat-lahat. And today, we are now in the fourth year and sharing love and kindness to little ones in Kamsur. And we are about to celebrate the third year anniversary of Nourishing Little Hearts, empowering children through nutrition bukas, January 2, 2026. And salamat po sa lahat, to all our sponsors, to all the support, volunteers especially, to all the members, and to our stakeholders, the Hira's Taste Buds by Madi Maylin and Padi Elias and Baby Pia. Thank you so much. And may God bless you more and more, and also to Padi, Sir Noel Mora Rives for the Medicine Man for the continuous support. Supporting us for the vitamins and medicines for the children. Now, dito na po tayo sa pang-apat na taon na patuloy na pagbibigay kasiyahan sa mga little ones sa Kamsur. And sana po dumami pa ang ating mga stakeholders, ang ating mga volunteers from the heart, para makapagbigay kasiyahan sa mga bata na in-need sa Kamsur. And for this year, we will focus on the indigenous children in Kamsur. And with all your support, it will be all possible. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat, and sana maging masagana ang ating taon na ito na 2026 para sa lahat. Sana maging supportive tayo sa lahat ng nangangailangan. And thank you so much sa lahat po ng gustong magsuporta sa grupo namin, sa lahat po na gustong mag-celebrate ng kani-kanilang mga okasyon. Libre po kayong makipag-coordinate sa atin para po to give impact in your special activities, special celebration. Okay po? So, in behalf of my family, in behalf of the advocate, Miss Barbie Ann Floriano and Clyde, thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. Patuloy lang po tayo. And sana mas maging masagana ang ating taon na ito at mas marami pa tayong matulungan. From the heart. Thank you so much po. We are now celebrating the third year anniversary tomorrow, January 2. Ang dali lang po. Dati po ay naging pangarap lang po ito naming mag-ina na someday makatulong because we are not rich, but then hindi po pala imposible na tumulong sa kapwa kahit hindi ka mayaman. Kapag porsigido ka in your dreams and your goals, hindi pala imposible. So, hurry up. You can join us in our mission. You can join in our advocacy and sharing your time, sharing your blessings to all the little ones. Thank you so much po, and mabuhay po tayong sa lahat, and kudos po sa lahat ng mga members, volunteers, sponsors, and supporters. Thank you so much. God bless and Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome 2026. Thank you and God bless. This is your chairman, founder of Solid Team Kamsur, Nourishing Little Hearts, Youth for a Cause, and Solid and Hope of Balatan. Thank you so much po and Happy New Year. Thank you. God bless.